Think AI is only for tech experts? It's not. These tools are built for beginners, and they're changing the game for regular business owners. You're running a business, not writing code or learning new systems. The last thing you need is a steep learning curve just to get things done. That's where beginner-friendly AI comes in. The best AI tools don't expect you to be a tech pro. They do the work for you, fast, simple, and often free. Let's look at 5 that anyone can start using today. First up is ChatGPT. Just type what you want, emails, ideas, replies, and it writes for you. Or ask it questions. Just type like you're asking an advisor. No setup, no learning curve. It's like having a free assistant that never sleeps. Next is Durable AI. It builds a complete business website in under 60 seconds. Just type in your industry and it writes your content, picks your layout, and even adds images automatically. Now, let's talk about Opus Clip. Opus Clip takes long videos and automatically cuts them into short, shareable clips, complete with captions, cuts, and highlights. It's perfect for Reels, Shorts, and TikToks, even if you're not a video editor. Next up is Tidio. Tidio adds a smart chatbot to your website that answers questions instantly, even while you sleep. It captures leads, books appointments, and handles common questions automatically. Need help writing? Copy.ai generates emails, ad copy, social posts, and even product descriptions in seconds. Just tell it what you need. It fills in the blanks so you don't have to. These tools aren't just easy, they're game changers. Pick one, try it this week, and watch how much time you get back. Want more beginner-friendly AI tips? Subscribe for weekly videos.